In this video for the Beacon Hill Dollhouse construction, I'm going to go over Section H, the Mansard Roof. This begins with the removal and preparation of the Mansard Roof trim. After the primer coat, I chose to use white for all the trim and gray for the Mansard Roof tops. For the assembly, the Mansard Roof supports are installed around the third floor walls. And I made an effort for the roof supports to line up with the window openings, since this later is going to be used as the interior of the arched windows themselves. The Mansard rooftop was then installed. After getting this in place, I used the weight of some cans to keep the roof anchored while the glue was drying. Next, additional trim was installed on the top and bottom portions of the roof. I had to use the quick grip to close the gap around the chimney. I extensively used clothespins to hold the trim in place during the drying phase. When the back portion of the tower was attached, I found that this was not perfectly level, and I later had to file this down with the Dremel. The Mansard roof panels were then installed. I used a variety of approaches to get the panels held in place while the glue was setting up. Masking tape was used to force the panels to bend into shape for most of the sections. For the panel that was facing the left of the tower, I wedged a lock between the two pieces. Some of the panels warped and pulled away from the cardboard backing when bending this into shape. This was especially true for the panels surrounding the fireplace. To alleviate the warp, I used a utility knife where it bowed and allowed the panel to lay flat. This will later be covered with shingles and will not be seen. I also used the arched window pop-outs to help align the panel to the window opening. Once everything was in place, I filed away the excess material of the Mansard roof panels with a Dremel and some sandpaper. Thanks for watching.